Hey everyone, so I'm back, and today I'm going to be opening my iPhone 7. Now, I know I told y'all that I like my Samsung A20. I do, nothing's really wrong with it, but it's been glitching lately, and anyway. Plus I miss the iPhone, okay? There's Android people, there's iPhone people. I can say that I'm in between, like I'm 50-50. I like Androids. My first phone was an Android. And I've used iPhones too, and but I sold my 6S Plus last year, and I kind of regret it, but it was a good thing to do, I guess. But so I got the iPhone 7 because one, I have small hands. Now, if y'all remember from my opening my Samsung phone video, that's a 6.4-inch phone. Now, my phones are too small for that, and plus I can barely type on that. Now, I would show y'all the phone, but my brother's watching TikToks on it right now, so, just let him be, So, this is the package right here. I got it today, and I got the matte black. I wanted one of the black ones because, I wanted the glossy or the matte, so, either one was fine. So, I got the matte black because, okay, so, I have Metro PCS service, and I bought this off of Mercari, which is a good app, too, by the way. And I literally tried so hard to find the jet black iPhone 7 for Metro. Literally none came up. None. So, and I was like, okay, well this one was $160, and I was like, okay, let's cop it. So that's what I did. So let's go ahead and open her. I'm not going to show y'all my address because I'm not stupid. So, how are y'all doing? Hope everybody's safe out there. Oh, it's pretty. Oh my god. Do y'all get excited when you open new phones? Because I know I get most views on my tech videos on this channel. So I think that's probably what I'm going to start doing. But, I don't have a ton of, look, okay, I'm going to be real with y'all. I don't have a ton of money, okay? So this ain't the Pro Max, okay? Like, if you think I can afford a $1,500 phone, then, go ahead and start laughing because I can't. Plus, I don't really like the iPhone 11 Pro look. I mean, it's kind of nice, but then again, plus, I don't know. So, I was like, okay, well, the 7's still a good phone, I watched videos on people using it in 2020, and, it was a good video, and, they said it was doing good, so, and plus, as long as it's updated to the 13 point, what is it, 3, 2, y'all let me know what the, OS update version is right now, like 13 point something. I know it's 13.2 or 3, I don't know. If I'm wrong, please correct me down below. Thank you. So, yeah, so I got the 7. I was wanting the 8, and then I was like, well, let's just get the 7 because, it's literally the same phone, you know what I'm saying? Like, same size, same things, So, yeah, so I got the 7. And I've been waiting to get this phone since January. So, how long is that? Like, 3 months? So, I finally got it, and it shipped fast. The person was a pretty fast shipper. It came from Detroit, or not Detroit, sorry, Delaware. So, yeah. And I was like, okay. So, I got a case for it. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, my God. Wait. See, I don't know. I know y'all love my tech videos, so that's what I'm going to try to do on this channel. Anytime I get any new tech, I'll do it on here. I'll try to review it, the next thing I want to get to go with this is either the iWatch or the AirPods. Whichever one I can get first, I'll do a video on. Main thing I would want to get is the Apple Watch because this came with the right earpods. So, here it is. I'm going to shut up because y'all like, shut the hell up and fucking open the phone. So that's what I'm going to do. So, okay, so this came with a SIM, which is very nice. So, this is already on Metro PCS. It's locked on Metro PCS, but I already have a Metro PCS. So, I'm just going to maybe keep this SIM card, but I'm thankful that they sent one because, just in case. So, we're going to just, we'll just put this back in here for now, or something. Oh, I might lose that. But, I don't really need it, because I already have it. Okay, here we go, guys. So, this is the 7. Now, it's going to take me a while, because I love big phones, okay? I love them. I don't know, it's just, even though I have small hands, are y'all like this? Girls mainly, I know guys have big hands, but anyway, if y'all have small hands too. People with small hands, do y'all like bigger phones? Or do you like smaller phones so you can actually text with one hand and not have to be like, I've always had a big phone. I mean, my first couple of phones were small. Like, I did have the iPhone 4 back in, like, 7th grade. But, you know, then I was like, okay, I know bigger phones are out now, so let me go ahead and get those. So then I got the 6S Plus, and, you know, my other phones are big. So, you know, but I'm finally come to the conclusion that I need a smaller phone, you know? And it's not that small. It's 4.7 inches, you know, like, that's nothing bad, is it? So, you know, but it's going to take me so long to get used to this one, because it's small, but I know that I'll be able to handle it better, you know? And I won't be like, oh god, I'm going to drop it because my hands are too small. But, you know, I was blessed with small hands, so, you know, okay. Let me stop rambling, okay? So, this is the iPhone. I know everybody knows. It's 32 gigabyte. So, okay, wait a minute. Can I see this for a minute? Are you done? Alright, so I need to see my phone for a minute, because Mercari told me to check if the IMEI was the right one, just so I know that I got the right phone. So, let me do that. But I hope y'all are doing well. You know, I hope y'all are staying inside, staying safe. You know. Alright, let me see. How do I... Okay. This is going to be a long video, I already know. But, you know, y'all know my videos are long, so... How do I... Okay, let me see. Alright, so I need to see if this is the right IMEI number. Okay, it is. I'm not going to read all the numbers, but the last 4 numbers are right, so... It's the right number, so let me go ahead and rate this seller, you know, because... Alright, so let's open it up. Okay, iPhone 7. Opening the iPhone 7 in 2020. I don't know what I'm going to name this video yet, but... Okay, here we go. You ready? Oh my god, there's no phone in here. Just kidding. Okay, wait. So this is a brand new phone. Like I said, it comes with everything. Oh my god, she's so pretty. So these are the little Apple stickers, you know. Alright, let's get her out. Y'all, like, get the fucking phone out, okay? Okay. Okay, no, this, see, I'm already gonna get hard to get used to this. Like, look. Look, okay, here, I'll show y'all. This is the Samsung A20, okay? This is iPhone 7. Y'all see that? Yeah. But look, like I'm saying, like, see, that, look, I'll be able to actually text on this with one fucking hand. I need to stop cussing so much, because I don't want to get demonetized, because YouTube has a new thing where, like, you know, if you cuss, you have to bleep it out, and I don't know how to do that. So, if I cuss, then please, YouTube, don't demonetize me, okay? They might not, because I'm not even a popular YouTuber yet. Alright, so, we'll get to the phone in a minute, okay? We're going to save the best thing for last. Let's get to the insides. We got the AirPods, you know, and then we have the wall piece, and then deep down in there we have the charger. I already have another charger just in case I lose this one, you know. And then I have 2 cases for it right now, but Five Below has cute cases for iPhones, so I'm gonna use this one right now. This one's cute. It's like a little marble, I guess that's what you would call that, and purple. I already have that. Alright, so let's get into the phone, okay? So here she is. Matte black. Look how pretty. Okay, here we go. Oh, wait. Shh. I don't know where the thing is, but listen, wait. Oh, that's so satisfying, isn't it? I can't do ASMR, so don't pick. Okay, ready? I don't know if y'all can see this. I know I look like shit. Anyway. So satisfying. Don't you love when it sticks to your arm? Okay. Alright, so it's gonna give me a hard time to get used to this, but I mean, I know what the iPhone's like. I've had one. Alright, so let's give her a close-up look. There's y'all. There's me. Ew. I'm breaking out too bad. I don't know why. It's probably my birth control, but I'm getting that removed. Anyway. Sometime, I don't know when, but That's not what this video is about. Okay, so there's the front, and here's the back. Okay, don't pick on my nails, okay? Y'all saw when I opened this phone, y'all already know my nails are not feminine, okay? I tried to paint them, but this is what happens because I have a habit of biting my nails. Girly things, you know? Okay, so here's the back. Okay. Okay, should we turn her on? Okay, so let's turn her on. Look at the... Okay, so wait, let me show you all the sides. This is the... And there's the bottom. No headphone jack, y'all already know. I was going to get the 6S Plus again because I'm used to having a headphone jack in all my phones. But, you know, and besides, I was going to get this one Jet Black 7, but it didn't come with ear pods. And I was like, wait a minute. So, you know, I would have to get one of them things, you know, that things they give sometimes with Apple. Like, I think Apple even has their own, where you, like, plug it in, and then there's, like, a thing where you put your charger and your headphones, which is kind of confusing, and it looks kind of tacky. So, you know, this one, it's brand new, so, you know, thank you. So this is this. Okay, here we go. Let's turn it on. You ready? Here we go. Watch it not power on. What if it's, like, dead? What if it's a prank phone? Hello. Oh my god, this is getting hard. Wait, okay, look, here's... Okay, here's a screen. See? Look, this is going to be... Okay, look, this is how far I can reach my little thumb on this big-ass phone, okay? And if y'all wonder what I'm going to do to this phone, I'm going to give this to my little brother because he needs a phone. So, you know, I'm just going to give this one to him because his hands are bigger than mine and he can use this one. So this is how far my thumb reaches on this one, okay? Okay, and this is how far it reaches on this one. I mean, it still kind of don't reach far, but, you know. Okay, so, it's already on. Like, you know, like, that was a fast, no. That turned on that fast. Okay, so let's, do we want to finish setting up iPhone or not now? No, we'll do it later. So, this is what happens. And it's halfway charged. So, this is what it looks like. And then, and everything that I don't really use, I'm just going to put in like an extras folder or probably try to uninstall them if I can. Because I know all of these are like Apple apps. So, excuse me. The ones that I don't use, I'll just put in an extras clip or something. Extras clip, an extras folder. Don't y'all love this mouth view? By the way, I removed my tongue ring. Anyway. Okay, so let's go ahead and... Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I missed this so much. Okay, so... And then here's what it looks like when I swipe down. It's 10:39, y'all. I do my videos so late. But I woke up late today. I woke up at literally 5 p.m. Okay. So, let's, should we take a selfie? Our first selfie? Allow while using app. Okay. Okay. Let's flip this. Yes. Okay. So, now, let's go ahead and set up our, let's finish signing in. So, first we need to connect to the internet. So, let's connect to the internet, but I know y'all know how iPhones work. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the case on. Or no, I'm not going to put the case on because I still need to put my SIM card in. But, I'm going to go ahead and end my video here because I don't want this to be a long video, okay? Y'all all know what the iPhones look like, you know. So, I'm going to end this here. I know y'all love my tech videos, so that's what I'm going to try to start doing more of on here whenever I do get new tech items. If y'all want me to do a cases review, later on I can probably try to order some off of Wish, give y'all reviews, or I'll do a phone case collection once I get more cases. And, you know, because Five Below, I was literally about to get so many, but, you know, I was like, no, we don't want to go overboard right now. So, I just got this one and another one. But, yeah, I'll do a phone case haul whenever I do go back to Five Below and get some more cases, because they have cute cases and they're only $5. If y'all are looking for some good cases for your iPhone, definitely go there. They have 6S Plus to the new Pro Max cases, like $5, you know? And they're cute and stuff. So, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all are all staying safe out there. Hope you're washing your hands, you know? Ask everybody if they're doing okay, you know? Stay kind, okay? And yes, so thank y'all for watching, and I will be doing a how I like my iPhone 7, but, you know, if you don't want that, I probably won't do that. But I'll do a what's on my iPhone if y'all want to see that, because I love those videos. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.